Assalamu alaikum everyone. I was designing a Wakelet for you all, and I'm going to add all the links that I shared with you yesterday here so that I can share an e-copy or a PDF with you all as promised. So just a pro designing tip that I wanted to share here. So I'll be designing it, and for designing I'll be using this design icon. I click it, I go to the bottom, and I'm choosing a cover image and I'm uploading it. So this is the cover image that I want. Now you see when I upload the cover image in full size, so you will see that the frames are not working very well and it is quite enlarged. See, it is quite enlarged and the screens are not coming in. Again, I go to the design tab, and if I make it into half, then you can see how it looks. Now even when it is in half, it is better, but again the text is cutting and it is not looking very professional. So what should I do? This is what we are going to do. I'm going to delete this image from here completely, and then I'm going to again choose an image, and this time I'm going to design it with Canva. So what will Canva do now? This account of mine is connected with Canva. So I'll simply go to uploads where I have already uploaded this image onto my Canva. So I'm going to just click it. And once I click it, it is added to my screen, and I can now enlarge it as much as I like, as much as I want to. Okay, according to my taste. And then for background, I can just use the same background color, and this image I'm going to drag it a little bit in the middle so that it can come perfectly on my Canva page, right? So I think this should be good. I'm going to publish it and see how it looks, and if it needs any more adjustment I can do that. Now you see how beautifully the image has come up and what a big difference it has made to my collection. I hope you like this tutorial, and do give me your feedback about it. And I hope that you are all going to work on the weeklet that I shared with you yesterday, which was for the second session weeklet. Allah Hafiz.